Hi, my name's Carrie from Newcastle upon Tyne in the northeast of England. So my healing story is pretty much a long one. It started in 2012 when I suffered from bereavement, and from then I started yoga to soften the grieving process, and that snowballed into setting up a studio, which I did all the classes by myself for 4 to 5 classes a day for a full year. And due to this, I suffered RSI, so a repetitive strain injury on my left shoulder. And when I decided to do Spinal Flow Certification Program, during the healing that we do on this program, after the 7 days, my injury, my shoulder repaired itself. But obviously going back into the yoga studio, again, it sort of flared up. So it's good to have that maintenance, to obviously just keep things flowing, the ease of movement in your body. But obviously I did have blockages because of grief, and that was trauma held in my thoracic spine, which did affect my movement. I was constantly sort of wanting to stretch my shoulders back. But again, after this healing that I undertook during the certification program, that trauma was released. And it was just amazing to feel that freedom again, and any residual sort of trauma had been removed, which really genuinely changed my life. So I'm so happy now. I've opened up a clinic and seeing clients, similar stories, trauma, posture issues. So yeah, it's just amazing to feel that freedom in your body, that ease of movement, and believe it or not, it actually makes us yogis, yoga therapists, a lot more flexible. So yeah, Spinal Flow is amazing, and I recommend it to everybody.